Hi everyone, I'm Loisini from Chemical Engineering Technology year 18 and 19. Today I would like to introduce a measuring device that is strain gauge pressure transducer. Introduction to pressure transducer and transmitter. A pressure transducer, often called a pressure transmitter, is a transducer that converts pressure into an analog electrical signal. The conversion of pressure into an electrical signal is achieved by the physical deformation of strain gauge, which are bonded into the diaphragm of the pressure transducer and wired into a Wheatstone bridge configuration. Pressure applied to the pressure transducer produces a deflection of the diaphragm, which introduces strain to the gauge. The strain will produce an electrical resistance change proportional to the pressure. Strain. Stress itself cannot be directly measured, but strain can, and for many materials within their elastic limit, there's a linear relationship between stress and strain. Thus, if strain can be measured, stress can be calculated. A strain gauge transducer is a device that senses an applied load and then changes it into an electrical signal output that is proportional to the load. This output electrical signal is very small, hence it has to be conditioned to give an output reading. The conditioning may include amplification, attenuation, excitation, filtering, and isolation. For amplification, normal operational amplifiers are not efficient for the process. Hence, an instrumentation amplifier is always conventionally used in commercial weighing systems. The strain gauge transducer, which is also called a strain gauge load cell, is made out of strain gauges that are electrically connected in a Wheatstone bridge. The strain gauge is a bonded-resistive foil sensor which is capable of stretching and contracting. Its resistance varies with applied load. The material deform or stretch and contract. They are bonded onto a beam or a structural member using adhesive. The strain gauges are mounted in areas that exhibit strain in compression or tension. Most strain gauges are made from a copper-nickel constantan alloys. The alloy metal is cut into zigzag foils to form the